Okay, here it is, the COLORCORAL goop to clean keyboard. Yes, that's how it arrives. Amazon always puts very cheap item like so. Look at that. In a box. That's how it is. But yeah, you get a big box when you get something cheap like that, or even a pen. But then you order a motherboard and then they will ship it in the manufacturer box, and of course it will arrive completely damaged. But anyway, back to this COLORCORAL goop. It's like the slime from Ghostbusters, apparently. I've seen that in a Linus Tech tip video, and they briefly talk about it, and I was really curious about it. I wanted to try it, so let's see how it goes, and let's see how good it is to clean a keyboard. But for now, let's open it. All right, and let's see the instruction. So they say make sure your hands are dry and clean. Of course, take a piece of the cleaning gel and knead it into a ball, and then press the cleaning gel slowly into the keyboard, car vent, etc. Pull the cleaning gel out, the dust and debris will be carried away. Okay, well, they said to just do with the little sample from the pots, but maybe we should use all. Let's see. It's sealed, so that's good. It really looks like the slime from Ghostbusters. All right, here it is. Okay, that's kind of fun. It's very sticky. Let's see if it goes away easily. Yeah, it goes away easily. I think I will use the whole thing, but yeah, definitely feels like the slime, one of those slime toys from Ghostbusters at the time. A lot of kids were playing with those. So, yep, that's a bit the same principle. Let's put it back in the box for now. It does not leave, it leaves the finger fresh, no smell, but it does not leave any residue, at least on the finger so far. Anyway, closing that. And now we are going to test that on my keyboard and see if it is as effective as they claim. Really curious about that. All right, let's go. All right, disgusting keyboard. Here it is. It's from my editing machine, so that's the keyboard I use when I edit my video. And as you can see, it's not very super clean. I try from time to time to take a Q-tip and some alcohol to clean between the keys, or also sometimes find a brush and I try to brush between the keys, but I find that to be not a very successful result. That's why I really wanted to try something else, something a little bit new and a little bit original, like this goop from COLORCORAL, and see how it performs versus my Q-tip and brush system. So here we are now with the goop, the slime. Let's see how this thing will perform. It definitely feels fresh in the hands. Of course, it's recommended to use it at room temperature. Do not like put it in the cold weather or very hot weather. It may just melt and then make a big mess on your keyboard. So room temperature, and it's still even quite fresh. Anyway, the moment that everybody is waiting for. Make it going there nicely. It feels weird. All right, let's see. Okay, so far nothing. Maybe I need to push it more harder. Let's push it right there. I don't want to break the keyboard though. And maybe one of the key will just like come out of the keyboard stuck to it. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I start to see some stuff stuck there, and the keyboard look like less dusty, so that's great. Let's try over here. Let's make a ball back so I don't have the key size on this slime anymore. All right, some dust, a little bit dusty here. Let's go for it. You really have to push it in there. Be careful to don't break your keyboard. If you have like a fragile keyboard, maybe a concern, because you really have to push hard for it to go between the keys. Ooh. There it is. Some trace of hot chocolate, I guess, between the keys, but it got that. And some air. I don't even want to know what it is. Okay, all right. So far so good. And look at the keys. They look like cleaner. Let's go for it a little bit more here. Yeah, definitely some improvements versus the Q-tip method. Although I cannot get this hair right there. I'll get some more hot chocolate. But the air there resists. Let's push it more in. Did you get it? Maybe. So yeah, as you see, it gets some stuff, but you may have to do a few passages on the same area to really get it clean. Oh, look at that, it pulls some more air out, like so. Almost there. There we go, I got it. So it works. And look like it leaves the key like with no dust between the key, but the bottom of the keyboard here, as you can see, there is some dust. Of course, that's this slime cannot reach. It reaches, however, very good between the keys, not completely at the bottom of the keyboard. So to do a thorough cleaning, I guess still recommend to take your key away, take a key puller, and then clean completely the bottom of your keyboard. But otherwise, so far, between the keys, this seems to do a pretty good job. Of course, you want that to be in your clean hands, otherwise you will start cleaning your hands before it cleans your keyboard. Here we go, let's do another area here. And yeah, well, that's not bad. It's less dusty than before. Let's have a look a little bit closer. Very dirty area right there. Let's see how this will handle that. Yeah, look at that. All the dust between the keys tend to be sucked in this slime. I will not say pretty easily, but at least it's faster than the Q-tip version, or the Q-tip method. Yeah, there we go. It takes some time, but it works. And it catches some stuff, as well as hot chocolate apparently. Alright, okay, well, I will do the rest of my keyboard, but look at that, so far, so good. That's the area that I did, and then here, this area I haven't done yet. And as you can see, at least it does not leave any residue on your keyboard, which is good. And I believe that once this thing is full of dirt, you just wash it, you rinse it under cold water, and to remove all the stuff that's stuck to it, and then store it in its original box right here until next time you need to use it. So that's not too bad. Here we go, guys. Hope you enjoy the little demonstration of the use of this COLORCORAL universal dust cleaner, or the Ghostbuster slime to clean your keyboard. Hope this video has been useful for you, and me, I will keep going for a while. Makes my keyboard clean again. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.